What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a length check. I believe it is a 3 weeks length check video, but I'll put all the information in the description down below. I'll put a comparison of what my previous measurements were and what my measurements is now, and I'll put all that information down below. But just so that y'all could see us side by side, I am going to be doing this length check. So the first place I'm going to be measured, and I do want to tell you guys that I have been clipping off my hair. So as it grows, it would leave all kind of little long off pieces. So I clip my hair probably like twice. I clipped my hair last week and I clipped my hair this week. So, and then I use the curling jelly, and it's just so sticky. So my hair definitely needs to wash, but here we go. Let's do this length check. Let's see if we got any progress this week. Okay, so we got the front. The front looks like 16. Let's do this side. Okay, front looks like 16. Let's do this side. That looks like 13. Yep, that's okay. That's 14. And let's do the back. The back is 13. Okay, and let's do this back. $13. Let's do the sides. $15. No, yeah, 15. So these are my measurements for this week, and I will be measuring again next week. I think I'll be doing the rice water treatment over the weekend, so stay tuned for that video, because my hair feels so sticky, right? It feels so sticky. I don't know why I put that thing in my hair, but it feels really sticky, so I know I definitely need to wash it over the weekend or sooner. So stay tuned for that video. If you enjoyed this length check, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. I did create a rice water playlist. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. You could definitely go and check out all my rice water videos from start to now. Okay, bye.